go work now, my mind will read and say I don't fulfill my obligations. Saying to come and sleep.
But how should I get car for see you dey easy? You guys, Obi helped me retouch my hair. This man burnt my face. See, can you see my face here? It's burnt. Look here. Burnt. See this place. Burnt. I was checking something on my phone. I was just distracted and I was not looking. According to him, when I felt something was on my skin, why did I not tell him? Honestly, I didn't even like concentrate. So we were doing something on my phone. I was checking because we are house hunting. So I was checking some houses. I was showing him. So I was distracted. I did not check, and honestly, I did not feel anything on my skin. Only for this man to finish, and I started feeling some burning sensation. I went to wash the hair and my skin burnt. I told him that this thing might affect the baby. You have to see my hobbies facial expression when I said that. You guys, I've been contracting. I cannot call this one bursting aches. It's more like contraction. Sometimes I even put it to track it. On the 25th of last month, I went to my last appointment and I told my gynecologist that I've been getting contraction. She was like, please don't do anything stressful, don't do exercise, don't raise anything that is heavy or anything. Don't like stress yourself because this is a bad signal. I've not been doing anything. You guys know I've been on bed rest and my hand is even paining me. So Obi has been the one doing everything. I hardly film all these cooking videos and I don't vlog because I hardly cook. It's once in a while I cook. Even today I was trying to cook stew. Obi has been the one doing all these things. So sometimes I just want to assist him. He's trying, go to work, come back. The stress is too much on him. Just be like pitying him. You guys, I don't even feel like wearing anything. I feel like just walking around naked. I don't want anything down there. I was wearing trousers, I pulled it. I was wearing shorts, I pulled it. Now I'm tying wrapper because of this video. If not, I don't even want anything down there. I don't know if I'm the only pregnant woman that feels this way. But everything down is just so uncomfortable. I'm so uncomfortable. I just want to be free down there. My God, I cannot wait to have this baby and live my normal life because right now I'm not normal. Yes, so I'm not normal. I don't know why this baby is stressing me. This baby wants to come out. It's too early. We are just 23 weeks and 3 days pregnant, so it's still very early. I was even cooking when the contraction started. I had to rush to call Obi to come and continue. That I can't even stand. So Obi is the one cooking now. Tomorrow Blessing is coming. I've not seen Blessing for a very long time now. Blessing does not even know I'm pregnant. I need to see the shock on her face tomorrow. I've tried to surprise her, but she has been very busy. She's working, so I couldn't pull any surprise. Even when she came, I was already pregnant when she came last, but she was in haste, so I couldn't do all this paparazzi. So I just said, okay, anytime we see, definitely before I'll give birth, we'll definitely see. So she'll come tomorrow. That was why Obi helped me retouch my hair. So she's going to make my hair and Jasmine's hair. I just hope I feel better tomorrow. I'll go to the hospital tomorrow to even lay complaint because this contraction, hopefully it will stop because last month I was getting contraction back to back. Then it finally stopped. Now it just resumes again. I decided to film this one because all this while I don't film it. I go through a lot of pain as if I want to give birth. Now I'm feeling the baby is kicking down there. It's just like 9 months is forever. 9 months is very far. I can't wait for this to come to an end. By the grace of God, we'll carry this pregnancy to full term. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. I'm feeling better. You guys, you know I told you yesterday that I was having contraction and whatever. I'm feeling better. I even woke up this morning, guys. I was just strained up, but I feel okay. So I'm going to the hospital. I want to run some few tests. I just dropped Jasmine in school. Obi followed me. This man, I don't know. He will not stay at home. Especially I'm driving with this heavy belly. I told him to stay at home. Let me just drop Jasmine and go to the hospital. He was like, no, don't worry. I will just stay by your side. Don't worry. In case anything. I said, which thing? You say, don't worry, for safety purpose. I don't know how many times I'll tell this man they've given me license, that I have my driving license. He's always preaching safety rules to me. So I'm going to the hospital. I just dropped Jasmine off in school, and he want to tell them he'll go and pick Jasmine up by 1, so that I will not stress myself going around 3:30 to go and pick her up. Because by that time I'm usually lazy and I will want to sleep and all. So he's going to pick Jasmine up before going to school. So Obi's already coming. You guys will see him soon. And they report you, they give mine. They report you.
Say Jasmine.
You know what to stay for picture. Why do you know they stay for picture? Dad, now say let's snap picture. Let me go and show Papa. He said no, Papa. I said no problem. Sometimes he go, you come, mommy, snap me picture. We are walking in this area. You guys, we just got back from the hospital. This my hand, they have collected so many needles. Anyways, I'm about to start arranging this room. This room is very scattered. Look at my tummy. See, let me go backward. My tummy is too big for 6 months. I saw my mates in the hospital today. So we're doing like glucose tests. They're not as big as my tummy. Like their tummy was not as big as mine. Anyways, everybody, different body, different tummy. But my tummy is too big. I'm disturbing this baby. Oh yeah, go. Jasmine. Come, let's buy okra. Mo faccio vedere a mio marito, se no. Jasmine, move your hand. Oh yeah, open it. Open it.
ওই আইসে ওর 10টা সাংসারিক নিয়ে আসেন করুন সুদের ওই যে আমার নাম কি লেগে চাও
Oh yeah, look at it. Go and look at it. It's crab. Oh yeah, look at it. Go closer. Go closer. Oh yeah, see. You guys, I ordered some food stuff from Nigeria. Now it's very expensive to order things from Nigeria. 1 kg is 15 euro. That's a lot. Before it was 8 euro, 7 euro. Before you know it was 10 euro. Now it's 15 euro. So I couldn't order a lot. So I just got a few things. If you see this bag, you already know. Nigeria bag. This is called Bako bag, right? Or Bako sack. I don't know, sack bag, whatever. And this is the meat pie I got. You guys, I've been craving meat pie. You know my hand is not that healed, so I don't make meat pie by myself at home. I bought 5, but it was burnt. See, I just wanted to patronize her. If not, I didn't want to even get the meat pie anymore. I bought 5. I already ate 2. it was really raining and she was under the rain, so I just had to patronize her. I don't know if you guys know, I always order Jasmine's hair products and body lotion from Nigeria. These are cream. Let me show you guys. It's like shea butter. Jasmine's skin usually selects cream. I remember using different kind of product for her when she was born, but they ended up giving her rashes. Jasmine, mama is filming. Go back. Daddy is not here.
Daddy work.
Daddy's at work. Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Need to brush it.
Oh yeah, come on, give brush her. You guys, sorry for this distraction. We are going inside. Go and watch your cartoon. So it's like this. I don't know if you guys can even see this. You guys cannot see it.
How about leg?
Oh yeah, go.
Look. Look.
Sorry. Oh yeah, go. Mama is coming.
Okay.
So I usually buy Jasmine's
Kiss.
products from Nigeria.
Mama, kiss.
Mwah. Lock the door.
What?
Sorry, go. This my pregnancy, all my cravings, everything is in Nigeria. I don't crave anything we can find here. It's quite disturbing. Let me unbox this stuff. Jasmine, I'm busy. Go. Mama is busy. Why is this thing broken now? This thing is broken, and I think it's from the carrier. The person that brought it, she heaped load on it because the fish is very dried, so I guess she heaped load on top. That's why it's this broken. But anyways, I'm going to just preserve it. After all, nicer food did they go. So see. Yeah, this is snail. Since Nigeria is very expensive, I stopped buying those big snail you guys normally see that I cook with. I rather buy the smaller ones. These ones are small snail. I rather buy this one than buy those big ones that are very expensive. This one, at least I can use like 10 to prepare a meal. After I'm the only one that will still eat it. Once I wash it and use it to cook, it will rise. It will not be this small again. So when I buy them, my mom will wash them, fry them to make it very dry. This is ogbono. You guys, this is rubber of ogbono. Ogbono is very expensive now. They sell that rice rubber from 35,000 to 40k. People that bring things from Nigeria, they are not really careful enough. They will just pack load on top. Look at how mold this ogbono is looking. These items, I got them on Wednesday and they brought it today. You guys, it's already looking like this. Now, today is Monday. This is crayfish. This is blended crayfish. I told my sister not to blend it, but she ended up blending it. You guys, this stockfish you are seeing here is 5,000 naira. You guys, I don't know, this thing is not focusing. This is 5,000 naira. A whole 5,000 naira. How much things are expensive in Nigeria? I'm coming. This one is native mangi, blended locust beans, they call it. Yeah. I'm coming, Jasmine. I'm coming.
What are you doing? Mama, what are you doing?
I'm doing video.
Video?
Look at it. You guys, I love the aroma of this thing. Especially in ogbono soup. You guys, this onion this dried onion. I always get 1 or 2 whenever I'm bringing things from Nigeria. I have other food stuff like other spices. That's why I got just these things, and things are too expensive. When I was coming back, I just decided to buy gari. This is gari.